My name's Tony. We are in Friday sports club is like sports club, but where we always meet on a Friday, and it's fun. Like we've got friends down here, and everybody's friendly. Stuff nice as well. Play board games, darts, pool, table tennis. Let's get together on Friday. We are in Buster Resource Centre in Buster. Just come and everybody come and join us when you can.